Guys, in this lecture, I will tell you how to reducing growth naturally. Drink spearmint tea. Studies have shown that the consumption of spearmint tea can decrease the levels of androgens that male the major causes of excessive hair growth in a woman's bloodstream. Buy a spearmint tea or fresh spearmint leaves. Drink the tea twice a day for a few weeks to help decrease hair growth. Number 2. Eat more soy products. When eaten, soy acts similar to estrogen in your body. These soy products may be able to reduce hair growth. Try to incorporate soy products such as soy milk or soy burgers in your diet each day. Over time, it may reduce your body hair growth. Number 3. Make a gram flour and curd mask. To reduce the appearance of body hair, try applying a mask of gram flour, also known as besan and curd. Measure 1 tablespoon and a pinch of turmeric. Add 1 tablespoon of curd and mix well, and enough water to make it a thick paste. Massage it into your skin, leave it on until it dries. Then, rub it gently off your face. Doing it once a day may reduce the amount and appearance of body hair. You can also replace the water with yogurt or heavy cream. This mixture will be thicker, but apply it in the same way. The daily ingredients have nutrients that may help reduce hair growth even more. Number 4. Make a homemade wax. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon each of sugar and lemon juice. Heat the mixture in a microwave for about 3 minutes or until it makes a thicker, waxy substance. Let it cool until it is cool enough to not burn your skin. Dust the area of your skin with cornstarch or flour to help the mixture adhere to the hair. Then, apply it to the area of body hair with a waxing spatula or butter knife in the direction your hair growth. Lay a piece of fabric over the mixture, pressing it down. Then pull the fabric in the direction opposite to the way the hair grows. Repeat over the entire area of hair. Over time, less hair may grow in this area and it can be less dark and coarse. Do this whenever the hair is long enough to adhere to the wax, usually every 30 days or so. Make sure you don't burn yourself with this mixture. It will be hot at first, so wait until it has cooled before you apply. Your skin may be irritated afterwards, so prepare with a soothing bath or cleanser.